Hello friends, this is not a plant, this is our life. So we have to protect our environment, and today is Environment Day. So I request to everyone, please take a one plant and make it, because environment is our life. If we cannot protect our environment, so we cannot, and any doctor cannot protect our life. So always respect for plant, respect for environment and trees. So tree will, if you will protect tree will protect your life. And as I'm listening lot of beautiful sound of birds creeping, and there are lot of sounds of beautiful animals here, and I am listening the sound of nature, and nature is so beautiful. If you really want to convey a good message to the world, so you have to understand the importance of good environment, because if you have a good environment, so you can get good mental health, good physical health, and good spiritual health. And in our life we need all types of health. If we have a good spiritual value, we have a good spiritual health, we have a good mental health, and we have a good physical health, so then definitely we can live our life happily. So always be minimalistic in your life. Doesn't matter you are earning lot of money and you are thinking I have lot of money, so I can buy lot of clothes, lot of shoes, lot of materialistic things. But if you don't know how to use the materialistic things, so then that is waste of money, and that is waste of things which you buy from the market, because you are not only buy for yourself, just you are destroying your environment. And if we cannot respect our environment, so then definitely we cannot live happily our life. So always remember, in your life, take a plant today, and each and every day love environment, love nature, and this nature will give you a beautiful life. And a beautiful life if you will get, so then you can motivate to people, like I'm getting spiritual health, I'm getting mental health, I'm getting all types of health, because health is everything. If you have health, so then you have everything. If you don't have, then you don't have nothing. And we are the reason for our health, we are the reason for our bad health, and we are the reason for our good health. And this nature is beautiful, this nature is our mother, and we have to love our mother, and we have to protect it by becoming less materialistic person. We don't need to become too much ambitious person for product, for the things. We have to control our own desire, and also we have to control on the things which provokes our thought for getting new clothes each and every day, and getting new things from the market, and then we don't use it properly, just use it for a few time, like clothes, like shoes, and then we throw it. So it destroying our environment, these things. So we have to focus on our activity, because whatever the result we get in our life, we get according to our activity. If we really want to live each and every moment, every single moment in our life, so we have to go too much closer to the nature. We have to attract the nature, we have to make our thought like nature is everything. If we are just thinking money is everything, then definitely why people will care about the nature. So nature is really helpful for us. And earlier time, when we were not like living modern life, when we were not using lot of cloth in our daily routine, in our daily life, so at that moment also lot of people were living happy life. Internal, they were facing very rare internal issues, they were getting internal peace of mind. People used to get meditation and get internal pleasure. But nowadays, if you want to even create the spiritual value, so then you need a good environment where is the too much peace, and nice sounds, beautiful sounds of birds, animals, then you can concentrate on the good things. And have a nice day, all of you.